Redis streams give you a persistent, append-only log built right into your database. In this video you will learn what a stream is, how to write and read entries, and what mistakes to catch in a code review. Think of a Redis stream as a durable log file you can query. Every event you append gets a unique time-ordered ID, and any number of readers can scan the log independently or coordinate through consumer groups. Every entry in the stream has an ID formatted as millisecond timestamp dash sequence number. After the ID come your field value pairs, just like a hash. Entries are immutable once written. XADD appends a new entry and returns its auto-generated ID. XLEN tells you how many entries are in the stream. XRANGE reads entries in order, where minus means the oldest and plus means the newest. When reviewing a pull request that uses streams, watch for XRANGE calls with no count limit, consumer group reads that never call XACK, and missing MAXLEN caps that will silently exhaust memory over time. Redis streams are the right tool whenever you need an ordered, replayable event log. Remember to cap stream length, acknowledge consumed messages, and always page your range reads with a count limit.